Hello everyone, I Jyoti Vashist from Suraj School, Rewari. Students, our today's topic is that how can we identify that the given organic compound is carboxylic acid in lab by different tests. So, our first test should be litmus test, in which we identify that the given compound, the given organic compound is acidic, basic or neutral. So if we dip the litmus strip in given organic compound, that is carboxylic acid, then it turns blue litmus to red. That means it is acidic in nature. So by this test we can identify that our organic compound is acidic. It is acid. Now we have to confirm that it is carboxylic acid. Our second test should be sodium metal test or active metal test. In sodium metal test, we put a small piece of sodium metal in given organic compound so that the bubbles of gas is produced which burn with pop sound, that is hydrogen gas. So in sodium metal test, this reaction takes place in which we put a small piece of sodium metal in carboxylic acid and bubbles of gas is produced which burn with pop sound, which is hydrogen gas. And this from this test we can say that maybe carboxylic acid. Not confirmed, but maybe carboxylic acid. Next test, carbonate or bicarbonate test. Students, in carbonate test, we put some metal carbonate, maybe sodium carbonate, maybe calcium carbonate, any metal carbonate in given organic compound. In that case also, bubbles of gas is produced which turns lime water milky. Definitely that gas is carbon dioxide gas. This reaction taking place during the test, it is sodium carbonate. In that case, carbon dioxide gas, water and sodium salt. This reaction taking place during this test and this gas is released, that is carbon dioxide gas, and this turns lime water milky. In that case also we can say that maybe it is carboxylic acid. Now the confirmation test. That is our ester test. In ester test, we put some ethyl alcohol in given carboxylic acid and 2 or 3 drops of concentrate sulfuric acid and heat it on water bath. Then if fruit-like smell starts to come, definitely confirmed that it is carboxylic acid. Concentrate sulfuric acid. In that case, ester is produced plus water. Due to the formation of this ester, fruit-like smell starts to come and it is confirmed that the given organic compound is carboxylic acid. That is our ethanoic acid, because carboxylic acid can produce the ester with alcohol in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. Thank you and have a nice day.